now turn up.
Bang! Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and I am your Taylor Priya aka Priyanka. Welcome back to my channel guys. And I know that the last video that I have done is like 1 month ago, and it took me like, you know, quite a lot or quite a long period of time for me to get back in one piece. And yeah, now I'm continuing my YouTube channel guys. I'm sorry for that, so that's apologies done. And next guys, today I'm gonna share with you guys what I got for my birthday 2019, and the best part is that I am 19 years old. So guys, I'm gonna open my first gift. So I'm just picking it randomly guys. So the first one is this cute little packing. I really like it because of the cat, especially over here, and the cute little ribbon, and it just looks so good. Like, it's a go-to bag. I really like it. So I'm gonna see what is inside of this. Okay. So basically, this is a lady speed stick. It is 48 hours protection, and I use this frequently when I'm outdoor. If I'm going to a theme park or swimming pools, or I'm just walking in the park. This is the thing. Okay. So what is this? This is the Maybelline Hyper Cool Waterproof. So it is a mascara, and I believe that Maybelline has the best mascara from my point of view. So comment down below guys, which product do you think has the best mascara? Because I think Maybelline has. And this Hyper Cool is so good guys. This is the first time I'm using it. I'm in love with it. And this is like in dark. And the color is, this is dark brown. And I really like the shape of it, you know, it's like, it just makes it, just close it for you. This is so good guys. So thank you so much to my cousin sister. I love you a lot. This is one of my favorite gifts. Guys, for the interesting part that you guys have been waiting for. So, ta-da! Victoria's Secret. So I'm gonna do it one by one, okay? So, the first one, over here. Victoria's Secret. This thing. I'll go one by one, okay? So, what is this? This is, can you guys see it? Okay, it's the Victoria's Secret Vanilla Bean. Bean Vanilla, okay? So this is the mist, fragrance mist. It smells so good. Yeah, it just has that vanilla smell. Put it together with a lotion. It's a fragrance lotion. It's also the vanilla smell. So this one smells so good, guys. It's really very good. Okay. Another one. This is a gift from my aunt. Okay. Thank you, aunt. So this is the Victoria's Secret Daisy Haze. Okay, sorry. Victoria's Secret Daisy Haze. This is bamboo plus vanilla. See, everything that I buy involves vanilla guys, because I think that vanilla is so good and the smell is so nice. So that's why I got this. Let's smell it out. This is more to what, beachy smell, you know, the beach type of. Okay, so this is something from my sister, the cousin sister, and my cousin brother. Very special person to me. They bought me Bath and Body Works, my favorite actually. You know, Victoria's Secret and Bath and Body Works are like best friends for me. Best friends for me. Okay, so let's see what is it. Okay. Ooh. There's this thing over here. Okay. Okay. Oh, it's a whole set of 8,000 wishes. Okay, guys can see. So it includes the shower gel, the sugar scrub, the body lotion, and it's like 24 hours, and the mist, the fragrance mist. Okay, moving on, guys. So, okay. I'm gonna open this. Oh, no, I'm gonna show you guys first. Okay. This is a gift from my parents to me. And I really like this brand a lot. I really love the collections of it. So, Coach. Okay, it's Coach. Not a very big gift, but it is very special to me because this is something that I have wished for quite a long time, and my dad just made it come true. See? Okay. I like the cover inside. It's really cute. Okay, let me put it there. Okay, it's time to unbox it. Ooh, wow. Okay, so I got myself, or more to be more specific, it is a gift from my parents to me. This is a Coach purse. Okay, I really like the design. So why did I choose this? The first reason is that it's pink. It's me. I am pink. Pink is me, guys. So that's why this. And then I chose this type of pattern because this is like a symbol for Coach, right? So that's why I bought this. And I really like this purse because usually women use the long one, but I'm not a fan of the long one because I do not like to carry purse, guys, especially the long bulky ones. So I got a very small one and it looks very funky to me, so it's really my style. Okay, I'm gonna open it up, and it's just in the right size for me, you know. I just can put my cards, my IC, my driving license, and just some money over here. So it's just perfectly nice for me, I guess. It's me. So guys, this is a gift that I got by myself because I am a person who loves perfume. Okay, I really love it. It's like a must for me. So I got myself this Gucci Flora. Okay, Gucci Flora perfume. This perfume it smells so good, guys, because I was just like just testing this out, and it turns out it's so good. The smell was like, oh my god, it was so girly, I guess. So I really liked it. So I just decided like I would just get it because, you know, I like to smell nice. So this is one of my favorite thing, guys. You see, it's cute and it smells really good, guys. And they gave me a gift. It is a Gucci mirror. It's a Gucci mirror. I do not know what's the use of it, but yeah, it's a Gucci mirror. And then I got this 2 free perfumes. Okay, can you see it? Sorry, guys, just not have much of space over here. Okay, this is it. I got 2 perfumes. Like, this is like the roll-on perfumes. It's so good and it smells so nice. It's a girl perfume too. So thanks to them, it was like a gift. Guys, the thing that I'm about to show you guys is my dream. It's a very big dream of mine. So, drum roll, please. Sorry. Okay. Pandora. Okay. Pandora. Okay, I'm gonna open it up for you guys to have a look. So, wow. This is it, guys. Pandora. I will just push it for you guys to see. Okay, can you see it? It's in gold color. And it's like rose gold. It's really very nice. So guys, the next gift that I'm gonna show you guys is something that I bought by myself, I guess. So I'll reveal it now. There's 3 things. I hope you can see. You saw that? Okay. And another one is on my hand. So these are nail polish, and it is from H&M. It's really good, guys. Believe me or not. It's so good, and it is $7.90. So guys, let's move on to the next thing. So the next thing is this this SK Infinity product, this one over here. So this is basically the AC Control Acne Wash. Okay, have a look. So the main reason why I bought this, and yeah guys, before I forgot, it comes with another one. This is like step 1, step 2. Step 2 is the AC Control Acne Gel. And the third one is this. This is the AC Control Acne Moist. So this 3 comes together. Ta-da! This 3 is together. So why did I bought this? Basically, I would share like every short story with you guys. I have this problem with my nose over here that it is very oily, this part, and they always have the, you know, we call it whiteheads, I guess. So I went to a dermatologist and he suggested these things to me, you know, all of this. So I started to use this 2 months ago and I saw instant results. So guys, next I'm gonna show you something special, okay? So wait for it. Ta-da! So what is this, guys? So this is basically a watch box. You see? So why do I have a watch box? Let me explain myself first. So I'm a person who is very obsessed with watch, and I have a hobby of collecting watches. So I have like a lot of them. So what I do is that I usually just keep them in a plastic bag, or just throw them, like I don't throw them, I just keep it around like the whole house. So whenever you are opening my dressing table, like you can just find it everywhere, even the kitchen, that's one. So my mom really got pissed off because she was the one who always clean it up and pick it up, you know. As a parent, you know, my mom doesn't like me leaving all my stuff like that. So she brought me to a shop. I forgot what shop was that. And she just got this for me. The next thing that I'm going to show you is a gift from my father and my parents, actually, basically both of them. So, ta-da! Can you see it? Okay. So what is this, guys? Can you guess? So basically it is a Philips Zoom Night White Take-Home Whitening Kit. Okay. So for what do you use it? Okay. A clear view. So basically I went to a dentist and I am very obsessed with my teeth. I really take good care of my dental care is always at the top. I brush my teeth every day, like every 3 to 4 times, and sometimes if I had any food that leaves that smell on my mouth, what I do is that I just bring a brush and a small traveling kit toothpaste with me in my bag. So whenever I feel uncomfortable, I just like brush it up real quick, and it's like on the go. So since I'm really obsessed with it, my dad decided to get me like a whitening kit. So guys, moving on, this is a gift from my grandmother. So it's very special, you know. Whenever it comes to grandparents, they really have a very soft spot in our heart. So this is from her. It's from the Body Shop. So what is it? Okay. Okay. Interesting. So this is a black mask. Okay, guys can see? No, it's not that clear. It is a deodorant from the Body Shop, and it's the black mask. Okay, so moving on, guys. Okay, so the next gift. Okay, I'm gonna bring it. It's quite big actually. Ta-da! So this is like a balloons. They have this cute little unicorn, this cute little 2 hearts and flowers, and they have this light. So I do not know how to do it now. Since I can't find the button. It's a really very cute gift. So this is from my brother Vish. So thank you so much, Vish. He is like my cousin brother, but we are more than that. we hold a very strong brother-sister bonding, and he's like my best friend. This is like, it's gonna be the end of the video, so I'm gonna show you the last gift. So this gift is from my aunt Ronnie. She's a doctor, and thank you so much. It's very special to me because she knows that I like perfume, and this is the perfume that she used previously when she was a teenager, so she got it for me. It was so sweet of her. So okay, it is a Marc Jacobs brand. Okay, can you guys see it? Okay, so it is a Marc Jacob Daisy Love, and it smells so good. So they have a body lotion and a lot more over there, and it came with a gift, or I would say my aunt got it for me, this thing from Marc Jacobs. So what is it, guys? Let's see. Okay, I haven't opened it up yet, this is the first time. Okay, just gonna put it over there. Okay, it is a Marc Jacob Daisy Love thingy. Okay, it is a pouch. It's a makeup pouch. Okay, it's new, it's brand new. It smells so good. So guys, I guess that's the end of my video. So thank you so much for watching this video, and like, thanks for being patient, you know, taking your time and everything. It means a lot. Thank you so much. So guys, the important part now, okay? If you liked this video, I'll repeat it again. If you liked this video, do not forget to put a thumbs up, blow up the comments, and of course, guys, please, 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 pretty please, subscribe to my channel, guys. And thank you so much, guys, and I will be back with a new video with you guys. So until then, see you again, guys. And this is me, Taylor Priya, aka Priyanka, guys. Bye bye, have a nice day.